Hello, I've got an F97 error code on GE JT3500SF3SS double oven. I have replaced the lower cooling fan with a factory new GE replacement and it still displays the error. What should I try next?
What happened just before your GE oven displayed this message?
My wife turned it on to preheat to cook a pan of cornbread.
How long has this been going on with your GE oven? What have you tried so far?
Just 3 days so far. On the first display of the error code, I researched and found that the issue had to do with the lower cooling motor, so I replaced it already.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Neither the top nor the bottom oven will come on without it displaying the F97 error within seconds of turning them on to bake.
Hi, please disregard the phone call offer from the site unless you want one. I am not asking for it. Please wait for my response as it takes time to type. This is a common issue regarding the cooling fan. There is a bulletin out on the issue. To view the bulletin below, use the rating link at the top of your page. Click here Bulletin.
Thank you. Cannot open the bulletin. Can you email me a link or something? Does me no good to know there is a bulletin out if I cannot read it. Plus, what does it recommend? What do I do next?
Click here Bulletin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.